what is the aim of Kriya Yoga, why we are practicing it. And when you practice what you are going to experience it. You are going to experience this. What is that this? God is one. That one God has become this physical universe, astral and causal universes. It is God who has become my own existence and your existence. Okay, all right. When I know it, then what's the use of knowing it? Then we will practice this philosophy. Nobody is bigger and smaller. Nobody is greater and smaller. You cannot say he is wise and he is dull. This language we will not use it. Okay, all right. But we accepted it, but it doesn't work. If you go to the market, you have to say, if you have to purchase something, this is good, this is bad. I have to purchase cell phone. Okay, God has become all. This is the rotten cell phone, this is good cell phone. God has become all, you can give me anyone. It will not work. Then I am confused. Then how to remove this confusion? First try to prove that God has become all, then how to prove it? Select our own existence first, head to toes. Keep on concentrating on it. Try to accept it more and more. Whatever you feel, accept it, that this is all in all, because I am just proving that God has become all, then God has become my own existence. In God you will find all. Then feel head to toes, whatever you feel, accept it, all in all. This is the important point. You should remember, okay, all right, I did it. I did it, this is nice. Then God has become all, then I have no jealous. Then I will have no sickness, illness, no tension, no worries, no fear. But still, something is lacking. If God has become all, God has become physical universe, and we are in this physical universe, we are having this physical body, God has become physical body, then you have to live this philosophy. What is that philosophy? Sham, Dam, Dand, Bhed. What is this? You have to have full control over mind. Full control over mind is known as practicing Sham. How to do it? How you can control anything? Try to have democratic method of controlling. What is that? Try to give power and knowledge to mind more and more. When mind will be connected with the infinite power and mind, then mind will feel bliss and peace. Then mind will say whatever you will say. Mind will do everything. Because you have done something for mind. Now mind is one with infinite power and knowledge. Then mind is having very great peace and joy. Then when you say mind, please concentrate here. Then you will find 100% concentration of mind, otherwise very difficult. Okay, all right. How to get this? Do not worry. Keep on practicing Kriya Yoga meditation more and more. You will have complete eternal friendship with the mind. You will be able to connect mind with infinite power and knowledge, then mind will obey. Then Sham is completed. One lesson is completed. Then that is next lesson. What is that? Dam. What is meaning of Dam? Dam is control of senses. Then how to control senses? The same principle. Try to increase power and knowledge which is hidden in the senses. In the arm, there is infinite knowledge which is hidden. Infinite power is hidden. Try to awaken that power in all sense organs, in all organ of action. Then the sense organ of action, they will feel peace and bliss. Then they will obey. If you will say, leg, please, I want that you should stand 24 hours. Because my aim is to provide service to others. Then legs will obey peacefully. I want that my ears should cooperate. I want to listen 24 hours. I do not want to talk. Today I will only listen. And when I am listening, I will not think, okay, I requested ear and mind is already in my control. Then ear is in my control. Then you can listen 24 hours without thinking, without analyzing. That is called pure listening. This is called the Dham, Sham Dham. Okay, all right, 2 lessons are passed. 2 chapters completed. Now 3rd chapter, Dand. What is that? What is Dand? When you will go in Magh Mela, you will find many Swamis are having some stick on the shoulder. They hold it and they walk it. What is that? When try to open it, you will find a stick is like this. In that there are 5 knots. Then the 6th one is connected with some frontal projection. Just like this is medulla, Bhrumad, like frontal projection. And the spine is having 5 different centers, called 5 wisdom centers. Because we have forgotten the real meaning of Dand, but somehow we were having little knowledge about Dand, that in that there are 5 knots which call 5 wisdom centers. Then we were not knowing that this is our own head and spine. Then I created a stick and I put that 5 knots. Then I think that was Dand. In fact, that is childish play. That is not Dand. Your head and spine is known as Dand. Therefore, when anybody was doing any mistake in the ancient times, he was happily concentrating on head and spine. This is called accepted to receive Dand. But here Dand is translated wrongly, punishment. If somebody did mistake, okay, all right, I accept punishment. This is not the way. If I did mistake, then I need knowledge, not to do mistake again. Then how to get the knowledge? Then you have to concentrate on head and spine. Okay, all right, I did it. I completed. Then I realize what I realize when I close my eyes, what the color radiations I see, black and different colors. What is this? Oh, I know it. Oh, this color has become body. Oh, all right. Then this color has become breath. This color has become the changes within head to toes what we feel. Then what we realize, these colors and the breath, and when you close your ears, what you listen, vibration, sound, and each and every part of head to toes, whatever you feel, all are having same structural functional component. But they work differently. Therefore, it is the same element has become all, but still there is differentiation. Eyes will be here, ear will be here. Both are made up of the same structural unit, but they work in 2 dimensions. Teeth is working differently, tongue is differently. Exactly in the same way, when you concentrate on head to toes, then you realize that the same consciousness has become all. 3rd lesson is completed. Then we have 4th lesson. What is that? That is called Bhed, differentiation. What is that? If God has become all right. Then God has become cow, God has become trees, God has become human being. Then cow will stay differently, you will stay together, trees will be outside. Though God has become all, still we will practice differentiation. Cow place will be different, animals place will be different, birds place will be different, and trees have the different place. We are having here together, congregation. But among us, still you have to practice bhed, differentiation. What kind of differentiation among us? We don't believe in this. We are children of God. Okay, this is the truth, but still on this earth, if you want to complete some nice service to all, then in this you have to also practice differentiation. What is that differentiation? Think of the atom. This is the nucleus. This is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit. The electron on the last orbit is having freedom to go quickly and to come. But the first orbit electron, which is just adjacent to the nucleus, is having imposed relations. It cannot go away. Therefore, on this earth we have two kinds of relations. One is imposed relations, like Jesus and John, like Paramahansa Yogananda and Yukteswar Giri, like Yukteswar Giri and Lahiri Mahasaya, like Lahiri Mahasaya and Babaji. This is called imposed relations. You see how I am just connected with the imposed relations. Same Yukteswar Giri is my guru in this life also. He was my guru in the past life also. And before he was, I do not want to reveal so many things, but this is called complete imposed relations. And we are committed for each other. You may be worst of worst, but decided to stay together. Let us stay together in hell or heaven. This is called imposed relations. Other relations are free. They can come and go. Therefore, in this also, our human congregation, we have to practice differentiation on the basis of this. You are having imposed relations or completely freedom, come and go. Both are allowed. Therefore, this is called the way of life on this earth. Shamdam Dandabhed. And when you practice yoga meditation, automatically it will happen.